Hello and welcome to Trend Maker or tr3nd Maker. My name is Alex and you have just stumbled onto my YouTube channel introductory video. So I just hit a major milestone on the channel. I have hit 100 subscribers. So thank you so much. I really appreciate it. It's really helped me out. That was my big goal, was to hit my first 100 subscribers, which I have now done. So now my next goal is 500 subscribers. So if you haven't done that already, please do that below. You know, it totally gets me super excited and really enthusiastic to produce more content for you. You're probably noticing I'm doing a lot of product reviews now, and I actually have a whole bunch of items right now which are just getting ready to release, and I'm trying to get those firsthand, so I'll be able to use them a little bit and then do some reviews for you. So check those out. Those would be really cool. Some really cool items that are coming out. Also, you're probably noticing I'm doing a lot on 3D printing. That has been a hobby of mine for a really long time, and I'm definitely one of those guys who likes to make things, and a 3D printer just is another one of those creative elements. I can make all these little neat gadgets and stuff like that, and tools and all that. So I've really been happy about that. And yeah, so I feel like the channel's going really in a great place. I'm going to start a Monday series coming up probably this week or next, and that's going to be really cool. I'm not going to tell you what it is. You're going to have to just chime in to get to see that yourself. But that should be a lot of fun, and I'm hoping to get a lot of people who think that that's cool. And yeah, that's it. And I've been reading your comments in the videos and trying to get back to everybody. Thank you so much. I've had just so many really nice comments. They really liked my energy and my hyperness, and believe it or not, this is actually how I am in real life. And this is me sometimes even toning myself down a little bit. Definitely one of those hyper people. So it seems like that's going over really well. Yeah, that's it. I'm really just super overjoyed with how things are going, and that the feedback I'm getting from everybody. Do me a favor, like and subscribe down below, and until the next video, I am out.